Hey, Squeaky.
Hey, buddy. Got any nuts?
I threw some out over there. You can go get them.
I'll get my own.
No, you better not come in here. It's all those in here.
Oh, I don't want to see him.
Well, go on over and get your own nuts. I threw some out.
Yeah, but I know they're all in there.
You go get your own over there, Squeaky. Okay?
Okay, buddy.
I'm not lying. There they are.
I still want to come in, buddy. It's cold out here.
All right.
Oh, there they are. Yay! Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
I love them.
Wee, wee. You bury that, Squeaky. And he's gone. Poof.